DJT Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Easy to buy. Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Right, looking at Trump Media Stock, or former DWAC, it's interesting, man. It's really interesting. It is 18% up, and we're finally starting to see some breaks. Some breaks. I mean, hooray. That's great stuff. But we have to be extra cautious. One break is not enough. Towards the upside, I'm talking about just this. For it to really count as a real break, I just would love to see like a decent pullback down and then a break from that. And also, I'm not going to assume here. I'll just react on what the price gives me. Again, I'm sticking to a strategy that I've refined over 4 years after spending thousands of dollars on mentors, courses, mentorships, whatever. So yeah, that's my DJT approach. If you want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. There is a free course, and all reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one.